I'm Gustavo Scassa. I'm 46 years old. I work for Rochester Structural, and I'm a shop fabricator welder. I've been working there for almost 1 year now. I used to be a contractor, self-employed. There was really not a lot of passion there. I always had an interest in learning how to weld. I always thought it was very interesting being able to get two pieces of metal and fuse them together. Did a lot of searching around the area for, welding schools, and the top one that came up was the Arc Flame Center, and I gave them a call, and I saw that their admittance process was a little bit more in-depth than anything else I had seen. They were very thorough through it. So I decided it was a good choice to be here because they kind of pick what they think is best for them. During that time, I was, I couldn't really work, so because I was coming to school, so relying on my savings was a little bit tough, and finding time to, provide for my daughter. But I knew that at the end, everything would be okay, and I would come out on top of it. So, you learn a lot here. They do give you a very nice base for what you need to go out there. They're really hands-on, and they're here to help you achieve what you can achieve. It was the variety of the welding types I could learn here, with the stick, MIG, and TIG that really interested me a lot. The facility too, it's very clean. Teachers that are there to help you with what you need. That's really important because it provides a good environment for students that are beginning to learn. Because once you go out there, it's different. I'm proud to know that certain beams and columns that I've made are holding up structures here in Rochester right now. So we got a Bausch & Lomb building. Kind of point out some of those beams I made them. That building is standing up because I helped it. So don't feel intimidated. Things will be hard at times, but if you apply yourself, like pretty much with anything in life, if you apply yourself, you will get it and you will succeed. It's just a matter of really putting effort into it.